Plants, food preparation and storage. In this lesson, the green world. Plants, nature's only producers. Parts of a leaf. Food prepared by the leaf. Interdependence of plants and animals. Balance in nature. The green world. Think green is today's call to save our environment. Green is the color of nature, the color of most of the plants you see around yourself. These plants are green because of their green leaves. Why is it so? The presence of chlorophyll, a green-colored substance, makes the leaves appear green. Only green plants can make their own food. Plants need chlorophyll along with air, water and sunlight to prepare food. Since green plants produce their own food, they are called producers. Plants, nature's only producers. Since leaves prepare food for the plant, they are called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. A plant takes in water from the soil through their roots. Water is then carried to the leaves through the stem and branches. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from air, and then change water and carbon dioxide into food in the presence of sunlight. Food is prepared by plants in the form of a simple sugar glucose, and stored as starch in their various parts. Sun rays provide light energy to leaves for preparing food. The process by which plants make their own food using simple raw materials like water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and light energy is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. During the process of photosynthesis, plants give out oxygen. Activity 1. Aim to test that the food prepared by the plant is stored as starch. 1. Take a green leaf of a healthy plant. You may also use a freshly fallen leaf. 2. Boil the leaf first in water and then in alcohol. This is done to bleach the leaf. 3. Then wash it in cold water. 4. Now, add a few drops of iodine solution. Conclusion: the leaf turns blue-black in color. This shows the presence of starch in green leaf. Activity 2. Aim to show that sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. 1. Take a healthy potted plant. Keep it in the dark for a whole day, 24 hours. 2. Cover one of its leaves partly with a strip of black paper, so that it may not receive sunlight. Place the plant in sunlight for 4-5 hours. 3. Take the partly covered leaf, remove the paper and bleach the leaf first by boiling in water and then in alcohol. 4. Wash it in cold water. 5. Add a few drops of iodine solution. Conclusion: the part of the leaf which was covered with paper does not turn blue-black whereas the rest of the leaf does. This shows that the covered part of the leaf does not contain starch as it did not receive sunlight. This shows that sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. Activity 3. Aim to show that chlorophyll is needed for photosynthesis. 1. Take a leaf which is multicolored like that of a coleus plant. 2. Bleach the leaf by first boiling in water and then in alcohol. 3. Wash it in cold water. 4. Then add a few drops of iodine solution. Conclusion: only the green part of the leaf turned blue-black, showing presence of starch. The other part did not turn blue-black. This shows that only the green part of the leaf containing chlorophyll produces starch, confirming that chlorophyll is essential for the process of photosynthesis. Parts of a leaf. Take a leaf and observe it carefully. What do you see? You will see a main vein running along the center of the leaf on the lower surface. This is called the midrib. Besides, you will see a number of small veins, called side veins, arising from the main vein. The network of veins on the surface of the leaf is called venation. The midrib is a two-way distribution system. One system carries water and minerals from the roots to all the cells of the leaf, and the other system carries food prepared by the leaf to the other parts of the plant. The broad, flat surface of leaf is called the leaf lamina or leaf blade. The undersurface of leaf has tiny pores called stomata. They help the plant to breathe. It is through the stomata that the leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor during the process of photosynthesis. The leaf is attached to the branch by its stalk, also called petiole, which extends through the leaf as midrib. Plants also get rid of excess of water through stomata. This process is called transpiration. Food prepared by the leaf. Plants prepare food in the form of simple sugar. They use this food in various ways. This food provides energy to the plant. The energy is used for the growth of plant and to repair its damaged cells. Extra food is stored in different parts of the plant like leaves, fruits, seeds, roots. Photosynthesis in plants without green leaves. Some plants like are crotons red in color. Their leaves also contain chlorophyll, but the red substance hides the green color. Crotons prepare their own food due to the presence of chlorophyll. Some plants like mushrooms and molds are not green in color. They do not contain chlorophyll, and hence cannot make their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. In a cactus plant, leaves are present in the form of thorns, so photosynthesis takes place in the green stem of the plant. Photosynthesis and energy flow. Green plants trap the sun's energy in the form of light energy during the process of photosynthesis to prepare food. This energy is passed on to humans and animals when they eat plant food. Thus, energy of the sun flows to the plants and then to the human beings and animals. So when we eat plant or animal products, we in fact get energy from the food which is prepared by green plants. Interdependence of plants and animals. Both plants and animals depend on each other for survival. Plants give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. This is used by human beings and animals for breathing. Animals and human beings breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by plants to prepare food. In this way, the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in the atmosphere. Have you seen an aquarium? You must have seen water plants in it. Why do you think we keep water plants in it? This is so because plants supply oxygen which is used by the fish, and fish give out carbon dioxide which is used by the plants. Balance in nature. Since both plants and animals are interdependent, balance needs to be maintained between the number of both. We must protect both plants and animals. Cutting down trees or deforestation can result in the shortage of food for animals living there. Not only will these animals lose their shelter in the absence of trees or plants, they may even die due to lack of food. Quality of air will also become poor. Thus, the whole balance of nature will be disturbed. Thus, just the right number of plants and trees are needed to supply food and oxygen for animals, and the right number of animals are needed to ensure supply of carbon dioxide for plants. Hence, we must maintain this balance in nature, and for this we need to protect both plants and animals. We must not harm the environment. We must not cut down trees. In fact, we should plant more trees. We must also save animals and prevent them from becoming extinct. Our government runs various tree planting and wildlife protection programs to ensure the conservation of both plants and animals. Van Mahotsava, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are some such measures.